on me. Right on me.
Hello everybody, it's Christine. It is the 1st, so it is time to do our Counterfeit Kit reveal. I'll have links below for the blog and the Facebook group. So basically the concept on Counterfeit Kit is we get an existing, like, and I say existing, it's in the past some kind of time, but anyway, an existing monthly kit of some kind, and then we build our own counterfeit kit out of our stash. So let me show the original inspiration. And again, this will be in the description and whatnot, but the original inspiration is a Tracy Reed kit named Goldenrod. I don't know, there's no date on this, and y'all, that's usually a user error, so it's probably on here somewhere. I think this is her sales/blog or whatever. She does digital kits, so you can of course buy those and print them out or whatever, but it's called Goldenrod. And here's kind of your palette. It's got this fallish, but with this black and white punch in there. I'm gonna pull the papers up because that's the easiest way to see what I'm kind of working with. So you kind of have this orange, there's a little bit of rainbow going on, yellow, you got your pop of black in there. There is some gray, but I didn't really pull too much gray. So this is kind of the color palette we're working with, the inspiration. And I'll go ahead and, let's see, if I leave this here, sorry the shine, y'all. Not sure what to do about it. Let's see, can I try that? So I'm gonna kind of work, I try to do like the order of the papers on the picture, but it's not always 100% just because I don't have the papers. So what I got is this, there's a floral over here with the colors, and I have a piece of Hip Kit Good Vibes, and it's got feathers, but it's a very similar color palette, and I thought that could work. There's actually, again, I'm a little out of order here, but there's like kind of this rainbowy thing that actually looks kind of cocoa vanilla-ish to me. So I pulled out, this is technically Be Valent, and I'm turning it this way to make it kind of match, but it's kind of rainbowy. It doesn't have quite as much dark on it, but I think it'll work. And then she's kind of got, there's like little pumpkin things here, and I do have a pumpkin piece in a second, but it's kind of the color palette. I don't have pumpkins, but I do have this piece from Good Vibes also that's like little arches. So I thought this could work. It's got that cool teal in there. She kind of has this like plaid, black and white kind of plaid here. Can you guys see this? I am so sorry, I'm trying. And I found this in my stash. Oh, this is a Color Rush Studio from the pad. I think it's called Bold or something. Then I saw this little diagonally plaid. I don't have that, but I do have this slice of paper here that's like a little plaid kind of, but not diagonal. So I thought, okay, I'll use that. But then I actually also found this sheet in my, it's called Amber Autumn and Fancy Pants Design. Now this has more pink in it, I think, but I still think this plaid works. So we're gonna keep this in here. And then I just found this Tone on Tone. It's not exactly this kind of little bit muted shade, but it goes with my palette I got going on here. This is from Cocoa Vanilla. Technically there's this piece here, which could work as that, or even that. I mean, I can make this work either kind of way, I think. So we'll do it this way, just so you can kind of see that. And then here is a pumpkin sheet I have. I thought this was really cute. This is also by Fancy Pants. I think it's the same collection. It's nice big pumpkins. I think this came in my Scrap Room Flavors of the Month this month, honestly. Then I do have this sheet. She didn't really have this pattern in there, but the colors, again, I'm trying to stick in this like tealish, and it goes with these. This is a My Mind's Eye, All Is Bright. So technically it's a Christmas pattern, but we will not worry about that. And then I have one more pumpkin. This is a little bit brighter orange and yellow, but I thought it still kind of went like with this stuff here. So we're going to stick it in here because it's got pumpkins. Y'all, I'm going to be honest with you. These fall collections throw me for a loop in a way because, y'all, I don't get fall in Texas. Not much of it anyways. Luckily, we did go to Colorado where there was some aspens turning for the wedding. So maybe I'll pull something out of there. I did pull out, this has like these black and white stars here, and then this little like black and white piece here. And I thought, I got this tissue paper, so I've kind of pulled that out. I also have this piece here, which is a little smaller scale than this one, but it's the same kind of look. And then I had one last pattern here that's more floral. So I don't know if I'll end up using this or not. This just kind of went with the collections. It went with this one actually. So I went ahead and pulled it out. I mean, it does look pretty. I don't have to use this for fall, right? I mean, if we start doing things, we don't have to use fall. And that may be what I have to do. So that is my papers. Now, what I did too is I had this little set of enamel dots in Good Vibes, which was my Hip Kit collection I pulled this from. And so I pulled those out, and then this came in with this Scrap Room Flavors of the Month, this collection, which has like pumpkins and festive and stuff. Again, there's a little more pink in it than our collection here, so I'll have to be a little bit careful. I may not use like the pinks. I may have to just stick kind of with the oranges, but that's okay. You know, there's the teals and all that too. And then the other thing I'm going to do, I'm not going to pull everything out, but I do have my Hip Kit binder. If you've watched me, I think I've shown you this before, but basically I felt like this color palette is definitely usable with like I have some leaves and stuff. This is really, I want to pull that out. There's these like colors that go with this. I'm going to pull these out actually now that I said all that, and I may actually pull this out, this little sheet here. I have a few autumn sets that I'm going to probably pull from these 2 pages here. Actually, you know what? I don't want to lose track of it. Should I go ahead and do it? Oh, and there's a fall vibes back here. What is this? Oh, I got golden stuff. That could be, what if I do that? You guys, I could just pull these out. What if I do that? So I don't get confused myself. All right, there we go. Look at that. I just built it right in front of you. All right. So this is kind of what I'm going to be working with, you guys. I'm kind of excited, actually. You know what? I should try to do some of my scrap lip crafternoons with these papers. I'm terrible about, I'll build these kits and I'll build 1 or 2 layouts, and I always feel bad because I have to put some stuff back. So I'm going to try to use all of it. And the whole point of this blog or this challenge is to use our stuff. So that's what I'm working with. So keep your eye out. I think my challenge is maybe the 18th this month. Always kind of watch. I always try to premiere so you see when it's coming. And I don't recall. I think it's something about being, well, it's Thanksgiving, so I think it's something about grateful or something. But there's obviously on the blog, you'll see lots of entries. Make sure you check out that link where there's various different challenges. I think we have like 4 challenges. There's always also a follower showcase. So if you join the Facebook group and you drop your layouts and stuff in there, you could get picked for the follower showcase. And so, yeah, shout out and all that good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you this month. Bye.